In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Google AI Studio to Zapier. So it's very simple, and the first step is we need to obtain our API key from Google AI Studio to be able to connect it. So go to your Google AI Studio and in the bottom left corner, click on Get API Key. Now from here, you need to create a new one or copy the existing API key. So in my case, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to name it Zapier Test. Then you need to choose project, or you can create one. Then click on create key. So this will create your API key, and make sure to not share it with anyone. And then just copy the key and go to Zapier. And now we want to create a new Zap. So I'm going to click on Zap. Now you want to click on action. And from here in the search bar, type Google AI Studio. So this one, Gemini. So click on it. And now you need to choose your action event. So you can choose from those events, like if you want to generate audio or generate image, or you want to make some conversation. So let's say I'm going to choose conversation. Next step is to connect your account. So you want to click on select your account and connect a new account. This will show you this pop-up window where you need to simply paste your key, which we copied earlier. So I'm going to paste it here. And make sure to not share your key with anyone. I will delete this key after the video. So then just click on yes, continue. And this is going to connect your Google AI Studio to Zapier. Now you need to configure your next steps. So click on continue. From here, you can choose your model, which you want to use. So if you click on it, you can choose Gemini Flash Pro. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And next step is to add system instructions. So what you want to do from Gemini. So you can click on this plus, then click complete this step. And so let's say I want to summarize a new email I receive with Google AI Studio. So I can click on Gmail. And now to trigger event, you want to choose new email. So triggers when a new email appears in the specified mailbox. So I'm going to choose this one. And then you need to connect your account. Then click continue. Then continue again. You can test your trigger. So this system instruction step just connected our Gmail. So now as you can see, it has check mark. And now you also need to add your text here. So I'm gonna type my prompt. So summarize this email in 5 bullet points, like this. Then the next step is to add this message. So click on this plus button. And from here, you want to choose email body and also body plane. I'm going to close it and then click continue. I'm going to test step. And now it should work. I see check mark next to Google AI Studio also and email. If I click publish. So my Zap should be working right now. So this is how you can connect Google AI Studio to Zapier. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.